How to sign up or create account on Cryptohopper. If you wish to sign up or even create an account on Cryptohopper, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is to simply launch the Cryptohopper crypto trading application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now, just you can skip all this process. It will ask you to log in if you do not have an account, already have an account, right? Sorry. So if you want to create an account instead, you can see the option at the top which says don't have an account, sign up. So tap the sign up button that you can see. Now just choose a username that you wish to use. Enter the email address where you want to use it for your Cryptohopper account. Create a password. Agree to the terms and conditions over there. So let me just check this and tap on create account button to finish creating your account. You can also directly create an account using Google or Facebook account, so you could go ahead and then do that as well. But basically, once you tap on create account, your Cryptohopper account will be successfully created. This way you can sign up on Cryptohopper. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.